Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to upload videos to Google Drive from iPhone. First of all, open the App Store on your mobile device and search for Google Drive. After that, download this app and then open it up. After that, make sure to sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, navigate to the Files section by tapping on it at bottom right corner and then tap on the plus icon. After that, select Upload from the pop-up menu and then tap on Video and Pictures. Now navigate to the target video and select it. Once done, tap on the Upload button at top right corner and then wait for it to upload. After car loading completes, your video will be uploaded automatically. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.